guys, I want to get on here and show you some of my favorite things. And first of all, I want to say to give you a daily dose of encouragement. As you go through this weekend, think about something fun or something happy or something you're looking forward to or something you can plan. And find that person, that friend, that neighbor, that family member that you can do something fun with. Every day, ever since you were a little girl, little boy, you always said, what we doing today? What we doing next? What are we gonna eat? Right? Why can't we do that as we get older? What am I gonna do today? What's fun today? What can I look forward to? What can I plan on? I'm telling you, it makes a difference. So go and make a day or evening that's fun, that you enjoy, that you can laugh and have a good time. Our days are planned and we don't know, not to get morbid, but we have to every day be as happy as we can and be as kind as we can. Kindness, kindness. Don't forget to be kind. Be kinder than they are. Okay, let me show you some things that I like. I got these. These are the, well, they're mittens. They're you can put lotion on with them. You can put sun-tanning lotion on with them, and they're washable. And you just air dry them. Don't put them in the water. But these are great. I saw these on another channel, which was Elle is for Living, and she loved them. They come in a 3-pack. You can get them on Amazon, but it'll fit on either hand. But they are really soft. But I do my lotion with them. I do also the airbrush. This is something I have not seen before till now. This is the Sally Hansen airbrush. It lasts up to 7 days. So I'm going to start that with this. When this gets dirty, I just throw it in the washing machine. I throw it in with the same colors. And then, like I said, line dry it. But this, I'll let you know how this goes. I'll do a review on this once I use it. But it's supposed to be good. Gradual tan lotion. Medium to tan is what I got. And we'll see how it goes. Because, you know, I can't lay in the sun since I've had melanoma. Can't do that anymore. Another thing that I like, and I think I've showed this to you before, is the makeup brush cleaner. This I've been using for a while. This is my second bottle. Quick drying, rinse-free formula. Some people have already shown this on their channel, and I thought, that's what I use. So I wanted to show you too. Makeup brush cleaner, and it's called CINEMA Secrets Pro Cosmetics. So you can get it on. You can also get that. Just go on and type that in on Amazon, and you can find it. And it's so good. I need to do a review on that as well, so you can see how it cleans my brushes and dries almost immediately, if not immediately. Last thing. Well, maybe not last thing. I've showed you these before. These are the individual. Let me get one out of my basket here. These little individual. I love them for travel. Love them, love them. I've ran out the ones that you out of the bigger pack. So I started using these. And I said, well, why not? So I may continue to get these because they don't dry out, and I love them. It's on the go, it says, but they take all my makeup off. And then how I use my eye cleanser and stuff like that afterwards, just to make sure, but it pretty much cleans my face almost 100%. The next thing, I think I've showed this in another video. I got these 3 baskets. They're 3 different sizes, small, medium, and large, at let's see, I got these at, was it TJ Maxx? Yes, TJ Maxx. But anyway, you can see they're nice. This is the medium one, and I just put them right here with my makeup. when I'm doing my makeup, then I just store them back where I store my little baskets, and they're so great. The larger one, I use my bigger products, maybe my shampoos and my conditioners and all that sort of thing. And then the medium one I'm doing for the makeup, and then the top one I'm using for just miscellaneous stuff. So anyway, and let me tell you who they're from. I cut this off. Michael Graves Design. And I don't know, they may have them. Let's see, I got my TJ Maxx, and I like them with the lids. I like where I can just cover up and stack them. So anyway, let me let you go. I know I've rambled. Don't forget to go out and be kind. Be kinder than they are. And don't forget to give a smile. You do not know how much a smile will mean to some people. I've seen people that have, when I was in a store and I just have my smile at them, they smile back. There's a lot of good people out there. So hang on to those good people, hang on to those good friends, hang on to those wonderful memories that you're gonna make this weekend. I love you guys. Until tomorrow, I love you. And I'm sending you a hug. Do you feel it? I sure hope so.